Yes, at first I like research, and moreover, I was very excited to see how my research would be evaluated by researchers from other countries. I was looking forward to talking to many people at the conference. Fortunately, I was able to get a lot of insights from the question and discussions. Yes, speaking of the situation in Japan, Japan is a non-English speaking country, and although we usually have discussion among Japanese in Japanese, we do not often have discussions in English with researchers from other countries. I would like to recommend young researchers to challenge yourself to discussions at various international conferences and broaden your opportunity. You will discover a lot. Yes, it was the first time for me to present at such an international conference held in another country, but it was a very relaxed and enjoyable exchange of ideas. I received a message from your staff member. I met her at the conference in Malaysia, expressing concern for the safety of the earthquake happened in New Year. I am truly grateful for this heartwarming connection as well. I appreciate this opportunity. Please say thank you to her. And also, thank you for inviting me to this interview.